Dart የሚባለው the language it's centered on, it is a very powerful language and it's so nice to use. So because I don't know, there is like the huge community of packages and support and resources and everything, and there is absolutely no reason to not use it. Not to mention, it's cross-platform. Same code base works both on iOS and Android and even web, and they even expanded it to work on natively, like on Windows and on Linux and on Mac OS, like a desktop app. Yeah, it is extremely complete. It is በተለይ understand ላደረገው ሰው በጣም it's a very powerful tool. So I saw everything else in the community. ሌሎች ሰዎች ሌሎች ሞባይል ላይ የሚያደርጉትን አየሁኝ. They complain more than I do. They do less than I do. They have more annoyance than I do as a Flutter dev. In fact, I love doing it. I enjoy it. እኔ ብቻ ደግሞ ያለኝ experience አይደለም. A lot of people, when they try out Dart and Flutter, they love it because it's such a smooth experience. Yeah, that's why I chose it. ከዛ በኋላ ግን deciding to stick with it ያለኝም ነገር እሱ ነበር።